So I have a new SEO process that I've been testing out, and I'm going to record and document the whole thing. So if it's working, you're going to know, and if it's not working, you're going to know. But I'm going to show you what I've been doing so far from the start. Collar's acting up. Okay, I'm doing it on 2 different websites. So I've got an A and B test group. Getting messages. All right, this is my first website, literally a brand new spanking website. So I've got an existing website that's been going on for years and years, and then a website that just started. So great 2 test models to test the SEO. Okay. This one, as you see, I've posted a couple blogs. Each one spikes every time I have a blog, and then this one, I just switched over to the new Google Analytics G4 and everything, and you'll see the last, because it's literally been the last month, and you'll see same thing. It spikes every time a new blog has been posted. So what am I doing with these new blogs? All right, I go to something called, here it is. Hopefully this screen will show you. I go to Surfer, and I put in my website. It's connected and everything, and then it literally connects to my website, and it tells me what I should post, like what kind of article I should post based on my website. And it says, like, write and publish an article about email personalization and use these keywords and da 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 da. So I click start, and it pops in the editor, and it really helps me figure out what I should write and all the things. It takes a hot minute. And then based on what it gives me about email personalization, I then jump over to Jasper and then create the email. We'll create the blog article in Jasper. And then I kind of pop back and forth between Jasper and Surfer, making sure that blog article has an SEO ranking of 64 or more if I can't get it any higher. And then I will post it on my blog. When you're in Jasper, Jasper has a lot of great templates. So you can come over to the blog template and you can do the intro, the conclusion, the outline, or you can do the whole thing in one shot. They even have recipes where you can do the full blog post in one shot. And then now they have a chat function, so you can kind of go back and forth, like, let me clear this chat. So you can pop it in here, create a list of 10 blog titles about email personalization, because that's what we're working on. Jasper will come back with a list. There we go. And then we can... Alright, say we like the third one the most. Alright, and then we can ask Jasper. Well, let's open a document and let's turn this into a full-on blog post. Maybe. Alright, now I've told Jasper I want this to be a blog post, and I can tell it who I want it to be for. I generally write towards business owners, and you can give it a tone of voice. You can do all sorts of things. Say you wanted the tone of voice to be like a character or all sorts of things. I normally do more of like clever, witty, because I'm a little bit of a sarcastic kind of person, and I can't spell, which is great because this tool is fantastic. And then it gave me more titles. All right. And now it's going to give me my intro paragraph, and it literally just starts plopping it all down here in a list. And then I can just keep flipping back and forth between this and updating it. Like say I want to see if this title performs better than that title, because right now it gave me a 10. Yes, it did. And next, write an outline. I'll kind of keep going through it, and then I'll keep adding it. And then the big thing is I'll make sure that these keywords that it found are plopping in. There's some other ones of these that I can tell it to use for its blog post, or I can tell Jasper even in the chat. I can switch back over to the chat mode and say, please use these keywords, all sorts of options. It is absolutely fabulous. And then I'll just come back over and I will load it into my blog and we'll be done. And then that's how we'll move right along. Let me know if you have any questions.